they had their moments in the game. They had a lot of really good looks. 5-on-5.
Like they'd go and they just shop, like, I mean, at the places we went, but they'd also, like, everyone's, oh my Lord, you are stupid, dude. Jesus. Plus I got an honk at him. I know. I would have fucking...
Luckily, eBay Motors has all the right parts at the right prices. 122 million of them. Can't imagine stocking that many parts. Where would they get all those shelves? eBay Motors. Show me the dream.
Back to the point for Adam Fox. Slides it right side. Panarin atop the near circle. Works to the net. Holds it. Cross-ice pass to Benjamin. Shoots. Great pass. Saved by Deming. He somehow kicked out that right leg.
Area 15. Hey, this is Avril Lavigne. I can't wait to see you guys at the iHeart Daytime Stage.
Was that a dirty and intentional play in your head, or is that just something as Pens fans we get upset about because it's Sidney Crosby and, you know, it just happens?
Well, Joe, first of all,
guess what? You just made the list.
There's a car right the fuck in front of me. Did you not see him? Who am I supposed to drive through? That's not how that works. Oh, you're doing all kinds of shit. And this is quicker than the Parkway would have been, so just picture that. Yeah, so go back to our own places and then we'll figure out when we want to meet up to.
We'll get there together. Equal housing lender member FDIC.
Here at the Original Mattress Factory, offering the best value for our customers has always been the key.
I think he's doing the best he can, but like you said, we're treading water and we're going to be drowning without Jari in there.
I'm not blaming Deming at all. If I...
2023 sales fall for 2023 Aria.
And get your most pressing questions answered, like the pros and cons of using medical marijuana, what conditions are qualifying, and how quickly you can sign up for an appointment to find out if you qualify to...
I thought that before the series started. Now we've seen what's happened. Deming against Shesterkin. It's probably impossible for the Penguins to win this series, but...
do I feel like I'm about to witness a crash?
Careers to apply today.
No, but a dumbass. Just your...
Did not contribute anything to the hockey game other than the chance to hurt a player. And there's no reason for that hit.
Our Rivers Clean team will keep everything safe and clean so you can focus on the games. Bet Rivers Sportsbook and Rivers Casino Pittsburgh.
Oh, but now you don't stop.
For details on our new sports betting rewards program. Gamble problem, call 1-800-GAMBLER. Combination of know-how and customer service that can't be beat. Get started with a free estimate. Call 724-NEW-ROOF. That's 724-NEW-ROOF. Peak performance is the
Talkback mic inside the free iHeartRadio app. Here's how to use it. Just to listen to your favorite iHeartRadio station on the app. When you have something to say, tap the talkback mic and record your message. You can even listen back to make sure your message sounds perfect. After all, it could end up on the radio. Talk to you.
The game-winning goal. Of course, all eyes were on Connor McDavid, the NHL's leading scorer, with a 4-point night. This goal on the power play at 9:13 of the third period gave the Oilers a 4-1 lead.
Download the free Gimme Metal app from the App Store or Google Play. That's Gimme Metal.
I'm Frank, and I'm not a big fan of BJ's Wholesale Club Super.
You sure, man? Question mark. I don't mind.
Rather be crazy than to take these pills. I'm sick of being okay.
If it's not like that bad. They do. Some try to hold them accountable, which I like.
Yes, they should be held accountable.
I also, if the system's broken, I'm gonna play it as long as I can. My buddies.
Yeah, we're about to take over the game. We're plotting right now. Sick of all these idiots.
So we'll see if they, maybe they can be a little bit more physical on him, and that'll work out. But yeah, he's definitely now the guy to watch with Sid.
Arthur only got 30 seconds here.
Ionic is a very nice looking.
Signature subs like the Philly, the Pepper Jack, or the Mushroom and Swiss. Or build your own with hundreds of combos of fresh toppings starting at just $6.99. While you're at
Oh, come the fuck on, dude.
They cost you money. Have you seen how fast energy prices are rising? Get your degree in savings during Window Nation.
Quickly about how the concert was last night.
Oh, Jefferson Starship, yeah, it was good. I mean, you know, I'm not going to go into great detail, but I saw them on the Rock Legends cruise, and they...
How you doing, bro?
Good, how are you?
It's a cool car.
Thank you.
Let's see, 1665.
Okay.
And I was about to make an inappropriate joke, and we'll wrap up the show there. Up next, 970, Bort and Josh, 1059.